Why is it so hard to stick to good habits? You start with motivation, full of energy and excitement, but after a few days or weeks, you slip back into old patterns. The truth is, habits aren't built on motivation alone, they're built on systems. Today, we're breaking down the science of habit formation, how your brain creates and reinforces habits, and the best ways to build good habits that actually stick. How habits are formed. Habits are the brain's way of saving energy. Instead of making decisions over and over again, your brain automates behaviors both good and bad. This happens through a process called the habit loop, which consists of 3 parts. Cue, a trigger that reminds your brain to start the habit. Routine, the action you take in response to the cue. Reward, the benefit your brain receives, reinforcing the habit. For example, if you always grab your phone when you wake up, the cue is waking up, the routine is checking your phone, and the reward is a dopamine hit from notifications. Step 1. Start small and make it easy. The biggest mistake people make? Trying to change too much at once. Instead of saying, "I'll work out for an hour every day," start with 2 minutes of stretching. Instead of, "I'll read for an hour," read 1 page. Small wins build momentum, and over time, the habit grows naturally. Step 2. Stack your habits. The best way to form new habits is by attaching them to existing ones. This is called habit stacking. For example, after I brush my teeth, I will floss 1 tooth. After I drink my morning coffee, I will write 1 sentence in my journal. By linking habits to routines you already do, they become automatic much faster. Step 3. Make it satisfying. Your brain loves instant rewards. If a habit feels good, you're more likely to repeat it. Use positive reinforcement, like checking off a habit tracker, rewarding yourself with something small, or reminding yourself of your progress. Step 4. Remove friction for good habits, add friction for bad ones. Make good habits easy and bad habits hard. Want to work out? Lay out your gym clothes the night before. Want to read more? Keep a book next to your bed. Want to cut screen time? Place your phone in another room while you work. Final thoughts. Good habits don't happen by accident, they're designed. If you create a system that makes good habits easy, rewarding, and automatic, you'll stick to them effortlessly. What's one habit you're trying to build? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more self-improvement and habit-building tips.